Good morning students. Welcome to our e-learning class, and in yesterday's video we have done up to question number 10 of composite maths, and exercise was 77, and by mistake it was written 7.7, but actually it is exercise 77. Okay. Today we will start from the next question, that is question number 11. Now see question number 11. The sides of a triangular field are 35 meter, 60 meter and 110 meter. Find the length of wire required to fence the field. Now here one triangular field is given, and the three sides of the triangular field it is given. You have to find the length of wire which is required to fence the field. Fence the field means it is the wire which is to be covered from the outside boundary. Okay, that means for this you have to find the perimeter, and since it is the word problem you will write the statement. Okay, so let's start writing. You will write first of all the sides of a triangular field. So it will be sides of a triangular field. It is given 35 meter, 60 meter and 110 meter. Now you have to find length of wire required for fencing. You have to find the length of wire required for fencing. So you will write, or you will find first of all perimeter of the rectangular field is equals to sum of all sides. That means 35 plus 60 plus 110 meter. So this will give you 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 205 meter. So this is the answer, and since it is the problem, so you will write the answer. The length of wire, required to fence the field is 205 meter. Okay, so this is for question number 11. Now question number 12 you will do of your own. It is also the same way. Now come to question number 13. A wall is built around a rectangular plot of length 63 meter and breadth 47 meter. Find the cost of constructing the wall at rupees 130 per meter. Here the rectangular plot is given, length and breadth is given. So first of all you will find the perimeter. Then find the cost of constructing the wall at rupees 130 per meter. Then you have to find the cost, that how much money is required to construct the wall for, if the cost of constructing is rupees 130 per meter. Okay, so for this I have to rub the board. So this is the statement problem. So you will write the statement that it is given length of rectangular plot is equals to 63 meter. Now breadth of rectangular plot is equals to 47 meter. To find cost of construction. You have to find cost of construction. So first of all, perimeter of rectangular plot. You will write the formula, that is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L is 63 plus 47. That means 2 into 10 carry 1, 11 meters. So this will be 210 meter. So the perimeter is 220 meter. So this is the perimeter we have found. Now we have to find the construction, the wall, how much will be the cost. Okay. So next statement you will write that since cost of construction per meter is equals to rupees 130. Therefore, cost of construction 210 meter. So you will multiply rupees 130 into 220. So multiply it. 0 zeros are 0, 0, 0. Then with 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2. Then again with 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2. So adding will give you 0, 0, 6, 8 and 2. So this is in rupees. So answer will be the cost of constructing the wall is rupees 28,600. The cost of constructing the wall is rupees 28,600. Okay. Now the next question, that is 14. Tanvi runs 3 times around a square field, each of whose sides measures 95 meter. How much distance does she run? Okay, so let's start this one. Now for 14 it is given the square field. For 14 it is given the square field and the side is given 95 meters. So since square it has all the sides same, so all sides will be 95. You have to find that how much distance she is running 3 times. So first of all you will find the perimeter, that means that is the first round he is running, and then you will multiply by 3 so that you will get the 3 times how much distance she is covering. Okay, so let's start writing. This is 14. You will write the side of, it is given side of square field is equals to 95 meter, and to find distance travelled by Tanvi in 3 rounds. So first of all, perimeter of the square field is equals to 4 into side. This is the formula I am writing. That means 4 into 95 meter, which will be 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 9s are 36, 37, 38. So 380 meter. So in one round she is running 380 meters. So in 3 rounds, how much she will run? So next you will write, since Tanvi covers distance in 1 round is equals to 380 meter. Therefore, Tanvi covers the distance in 3 rounds. It will be 380 into 3. We have to write meter into 3. So 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, carry 2, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. So 11, 1140. So answer will be Tanvi runs a distance of 1140 meter in 3 rounds. Tanvi runs a distance of 1140 meter in 3 rounds. Now come to 15. Question number 15. The total length of the fence around the square field is 308 meter. Find the length of each side of the field. Now this one, the perimeter is given, you have to find the length of one side. Okay, so number 15, the perimeter is given. Perimeter of square field is given 308 meter, and to find each side of the field. So we have to find each side of the field. Okay, so we will write perimeter of square field is equals to 4 into side. So therefore side is equals to perimeter by 4. That means 308 meter by 4. When you will divide this, it will be 77 meter. Okay. So the answer will be the length of each side of the field is 77 meter. Okay, so this is the last question of this exercise. Your homework is, this is the last question of the exercise 77, and your homework is, you will complete the question bag 1 and question bag 2 in the book itself. Okay, it is very easy, and since you have practiced this one, so you will do the question bag of area as well as perimeter in the book as homework. Okay, so that's all for today. We will do the math magic in our next class, and we will start chapter number 4 of math magic in our next class. Okay, so goodbye for today.